Next, we want to talk about the straight blade options for the Snow Raider Mag. Attaching it is going to be exactly like you've seen before with the other attachments. You line it up, you connect it, you put your hydraulic lines on. But this is only going to have 2 lines, and you've got 6 fittings up here. Just make sure that you're aligning the male and the female vertically on 2 of the fittings, and you'll be fine. Now this comes in 2 widths. You've got the 4-foot and the 5-foot width. This is exactly the ATV plow that we sell for ATVs and UTVs. So remember, everything that we sell for that line is going to fit this. That includes snow deflector, wing extensions, box wings. We also have the urethane edge kit that will fit on this model. Now the blade itself is a good back drag plow as is, but remember, Snow Raider Mag has D-force. So when you apply that with a straight blade, you have a very effective back dragging tool here. Thank you today for watching, and remember, when snow and ice hits, Boss helps you restore order.